Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will have a walkthrough on a program that I wrote that will ask the user to log in and register their account and enables them also to upload their picture. So we will call this program login and registration using object-oriented programming in PHP and MySQL, and it will display the name of the person in its corresponding picture if the account is valid. If not, it will not allow the user to proceed with the dashboard. One of the good things about this program, because the password will be hash using bcrypt algorithm that is built in on PHP. So before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete and free source code in my GitHub account of this application for free. You can use in your own projects and applications. So this is the front end, okay, the login, and then we have here the link for registration. So we'd like to register. So if we have wrong credentials, let's see this one, okay, invalid email or password. So let us register. Let's see, Dr. Jake Pomperada, yours truly. Let's say okay, and then here we choose the picture of mine. Let's see this picture. Register. Okay, registration successfully. Log in. Okay. So I have my picture here, and then welcome Dr. Jake R. Pomprada, PhD. You are logged in. Enjoy your session. Now, what I'm trying to say earlier for security, let's go to our database, login system. User. As you can see here, we have here my name, email, and then the password is being encrypted, cannot be read, no? And then the file is being saved on a corresponding directory, not the file itself, no? So we are just saving the path of our file. Now let us go with the code. So we have several screenshots here, and then dashboard first. Okay, sessions. We have here this line of code will display the picture, welcome the name, the user. I'm using Bootstrap. Don't worry, it will be for the logout. For our database, the name of our database is login underscore registration localhost. We have here the connection. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can copy this code for free and study. No? So we have here the login registration form. Okay. And then the SQL statement here to create a database, use, and then the table. For logout, we just start and destroy the session. Location exists, register. This code will save the name, email, password. And then the profile of the picture will be saved. Well, the default upload here, move up file. This is the form for registration. In the user PHP, we have here the class. This one is to register the record or to save the record. We have the name, email, hash, password. Okay, password algorithm in Bitcrypt. Login, checking for the password here. Then SQL sample records. Okay, let's going back. Log out. Again, we create a new account. Let's say Jacob Samuel. Choose picture. Here we go. My son Jacob. Register. Registration successful. Login. Password. Okay, so we have here the picture of my son Jacob. Welcome, Jacob Samuel Pomperada. You are now logged in. Enjoy your session. Log out. In our table, when I refresh, here is the new record account of my son Jacob Samuel. Take note, using Bitcrypt, even though they have same password, in this sample I just type 123, but the file are different to one another. And then the path where Jacob's picture was saved, no? Folder uploads Jacob. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on login registration with upload picture using object-oriented programming in PHP and SQL. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.